The final step is to make the circuit. So the process of circuit diagram is very critical, and you have to see all the steps very clearly. So first of all, the very first step is to take the 5 volt from this Arduino board. There are a lot of names written on this pin. The first step is to take a wire from the 5 volt. Here it is written 5V on the third pin. To take the wire and to pass this wire to this positive end of the breadboard. So I am taking the biggest wire among all of these. So this is, I think, white wire is the biggest wire, and I am going towards this Arduino. You have to see everything clearly, and in this Arduino I have to see the pin of 5V. So the 5V pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. This fourth pin in 5V, and I am putting this 5V pin on this plus line. This is the plus line on the top. So the 5 volts. So all this line is now going to supply 5 volt. The second step is to make the ground. So what I have to do, I have to take the ground pin. So now I will take the black wire for the ground, and I will see and search the ground pin in this Arduino board. So the ground is the 1, 2, 3, the fourth pin on the top right. So I will plug this black wire here, and I can see here it is written G and D, which means ground, and I will place this wire just below this line, and this line is the negative line, the blue line. So this providing the negative line is providing the ground. So I have connected the white wire with the 5V pin, which is 5 volt, and the other wire with the ground. Now we will see that our SD card module has also the VCC and the ground pin. If we can see, it is written VCC ground at the bottom and VCC just above the ground. So this is the ground pin. I will take the ground and put it in the same line where we have put the black wire, because the black wire consists of the line which is ground. Now I will take the VCC, and this VCC will be put it just above this line, the red line, the line where the white wire is common. So we have make VCC and ground for this. Now what we will do the same thing for the VCC and ground for our GPS module. So for VCC I will take the white wire. You can see I will take the white wire for the VCC and go towards this VCC of our GPS and place this just in the white line where we have made the 5 volt. Now it's time for making the ground connection. So I will take the black wire and push it in the ground pin, and I will turn it on the negative line, because we already know that this negative line we have made as the ground. The line which consists of white wires are all the 5 volts, and the ground which consists of black wires are all the grounds. Now it's time to make the connections for the LED and to make the connections for the GPS or the SD card module.